Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Step into the pulsating core of contemplative dentistry, Waldent double head air compressor. Much like the steady rhythm of a heartbeat, the Waldent dental air compressor breathes life into every procedure, delivering clean, precise air efficiently. It is not just a machine, it is the silent hero that ensures comfort, safety, and excellence in every aspect of dental practice. Coming on to the components of Waldent double head air compressor: tank, air turbines, tank drain valve, pressure gauge, pressure valve, safety valve, solenoid valve, wheels, switch, silencer, stopper. Tank. The compressor cylindrical tank, boasting a generous 60-liter capacity, securely stores compressed, purified, and dried air. This ensures a consistent and reliable flow of air for dental tools and equipment, facilitating smooth and efficient procedures. Air turbines. The 2 HP copper winding motors ensures efficient dental procedures, operating quietly and reliably, generates compressed air with unvarying dependability. Pressure gauge. An air pressure gauge is like a guardian of performance, ensuring that the air within the container is at its optimal level. With its visual display, it offers a window into the pressure dynamics, empowering users to maintain ideal conditions for seamless operations. Pressure valve. Pressure valve manage airflow into the compressor, converting it into pressurized air. They regulate compressor operations and adjust air pressure size and flow. Safety valve. The safety valve in an air compressor releases air automatically at 0.88 MPa to prevent hazards like tank rupture or compressor failure, ensuring equipment and operator safety. Tank drain valve. The drain valve expels air from compressors, aiding maintenance and safety by swiftly removing excess air to preserve peak performance and mitigate high pressure risks. Solenoid valve. It helps in releasing cylinder air when the power is off and prevents damage from prolonged pressure buildup. Switch. The switch measures the pressure inside the tank and shuts off the compressors when it reaches the desired air pressure. Wheels. The wheel facilitates the movement of air compressor smoothly, contributing to its portability. To put the wheel on, insert the screw through the wheel and tighten it well. Silencer. To reduce the noise emitted by the air compressor and make it more tolerable for human ears. To attach the silencer to the motor, turn it clockwise until it stops rotating. Stopper. To provide a firm and stable platform for compressor, for installing the stopper, insert the screw into it and tighten securely. Dimensions are: height 60 cm, length 69 cm, width 33 cm. Specifications. Operating instructions. Plug the air compressor into an electrical source. Flip the power switch on. The air turbines operate to pressurize the tank with dried air. Watch the pressure rise gradually, stopping around 110 to 120 psi. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes to check for leaks. Connect the dental chair air line to the compressor if there are no leaks. Now the air compressor is ready for the procedure ahead. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment for more informative videos.